gotta focus on yourself, on your faith, on your dreams, on your mind, on your health, yeah. You gotta work, never tell, keep your head down, find what you love and excel, yeah.
All right, guys, this is big. We've got an early look at the OnePlus Ace 6 Ultra right before its official launch on April 28th. And trust me, there's a lot to unpack. OnePlus has been on a roll lately, devices everywhere. From the 15 series to the Ace lineup, there's something for everyone. But today, it's all about this beast, the Ace 6 Ultra. And yes, this unit packs a crazy 1 terabyte storage. Big thanks to my tech partner over in China for providing this footage. I really appreciate the support in making this video happen. Hey everyone, Stella here from Techie Street. If you're into staying updated with the newest gadgets, make sure to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you don't miss any of our latest tech content. Let's break the seal. Packaging's tight. Got it. I'll skip the extras for now, straight to the phone. Right up front, they're pushing key features, a Samsung-powered gaming core, and a wild 165 Hz refresh rate. So yeah, this thing is clearly built for gaming. Quick check on charging, 120-watt fast charger, USB-A, still USB-A, but honestly, at that speed, no complaints. Now the case, black TPU, and surprisingly, it feels really good, much better grip than the usual clear ones. This is actually usable. Let's power it on. Quick heads up, don't remove the network sticker carelessly, or you might mess up connectivity. I'll peel it off gently. And here it is. That purple finish, instantly eye-catching. Under light, it almost glows. Super dynamic, very gaming vibe. Turn it sideways, you'll spot the Ace branding. Nice touch. The camera module up top left looks familiar, similar to the Ace 6T, just cleaner. Keeps that family look. And honestly, that top left camera placement, OnePlus sticks to it, and it works. Around the body, you get a metal frame, feels premium right away. On top, there's a speaker grill and an extra port. Along the sides, speaker, SIM tray, all standard stuff. Let's check the front. First impression, premium. Bezels are there, slightly noticeable on this darker model, but still immersive. That metal frame really upgrades the feel compared to last gen. Now, the fingerprint test. This uses a 3D ultrasonic sensor. No more tapping again and again, just place and slide slightly. Boom, unlocked. Smooth, fast, and way better than older systems. Now let's talk display, and there's a twist. You get 3 color modes, standard, natural, and vivid, so you can tune it exactly how you like. There's also a quick shortcut to jump into ColorOS, super handy. Jumping into settings, the 1 terabyte variant runs on the MediaTek Dimensity 9500. But here's the real shocker, an 8600 milliamp ice window battery. That's massive. OnePlus just keeps going bigger, and for a gaming phone, that's a huge win. Now things get interesting. There's a dedicated gamepad for the Ace 6 Ultra. Yep, a custom controller. This phone can literally turn into a dual-mode gaming device. Let's open it. First feel, solid. Inside you get the manual, and the controller itself feels well built. Buttons, clicky and satisfying, always a good sign. Design has that signature red accent line. Flip it over, there's a small section on the back. It opens up and it looks like space for a cooling module or heatsink. That's a pretty cool detail. For connection, it uses USB-C. Plug it in, and instantly it feels like a real gaming controller, almost like a console set up in your hands. And since it's wired, there's no Bluetooth lag, faster response, smoother gameplay. We'll test this properly soon, so stay tuned. Now, the bigger picture. Compared to the previous gen, like the Ace 5, this fixes a lot. You get a metal frame, that crazy 165 Hz refresh rate, and with this huge battery, endurance should be insane. That's it for this quick unboxing and first look. Full review coming soon, so make sure you're subscribed. Launch is on April 28th. I'll catch you in the next one. Bye!